In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of those premium countdown timers you got from me. Hey folks, AJaytheCEO here. If you're first time stopping by the channel, thanks for stopping by. And on this channel, we focus on tips, training, strategies, reviews, and builds to help modernize your media ministry. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I had one person sent me a message, Amoraal, I hope I'm pronouncing his name right, and he purchased one of the premium timers that I do on my website for like $2, a 5-minute countdown timer in multiple different fonts. And he was wondering, he actually put it on there, but he couldn't see it because the text in the countdown timer is white and he had a white background. So he wanted to know, can you change the color of that? Can you? Let's go over to the computer and let's show you how you can do that. All right, so I'm here in OBS, and what we're gonna do is go ahead and add a new countdown timer, and I'll just go ahead and call this new timer, and let's go ahead and map it over to a font. Let's use this a countdown timer. I'll use this brushed one, and as you can see, boom, it has the black background, which we need to remove first. So let's come in here, we're going to go to filters. All right, we're going to come in here and hit the color key to remove the black background. So let's go to custom, let's pick our color. All right, and as you can see, the background is done, but we want to change this, and this is how simple this is. We're going to come in here and just add a new effect, and we're going to do color correction. Now in here, we pick whatever color we want. Let's say we're going to go with red, and that's it. Come in here and change it to, let's change it to neon green. So you can play around with whatever color you want, and that's as simple as it. That's all it takes to actually change the color inside of your countdown timer. Now, I'm not using any gradients. I'm not using any mixes of color like that. It was a solid color, so it worked straightforward. So anyway, Irvin, I hope that answered your question, and anybody else that wanted to know how to change colors to some simple items inside of OBS. So if you like this type of content, I appreciate a like, consider subscribing, and hit that bell the way you get notified when we come out with other videos to help modernize your media ministry. This is AJ. We will see you on the next video later.